Opening an existing spreadsheet. To open an existing spreadsheet, follow the given steps. 1. Click on File menu. 2. Select the Open option. The Open dialog box appears. 3. Select the location where the file is saved. 4. Select the file to be opened. 5. Click on the Open button. Creating a new spreadsheet. To create a new spreadsheet, follow the given steps. 1. Click on File menu. A drop-down menu appears. 2. Select the New option. A sub-menu appears. 3. Select the Spreadsheet option. A new spreadsheet is created. Working with Spreadsheet. Working with Spreadsheet includes adding sheets, removing sheets, renaming sheets, adding column or row in a sheet, removing column or row from a sheet. Let us perform all these tasks one by one. Adding sheets. As we know that by default, Calc has one sheet in a spreadsheet. We can add more sheets as and when required. We can add any number of sheets in a spreadsheet. To add a sheet, follow the given steps. 1. Open the spreadsheet in which the sheet to be added. 2. Select the sheet in that Insert Sheet option from the menu bar. Or click on the Add Sheet button near the Sheet tab at the bottom left corner of the spreadsheet. A new sheet is added to the right of the existing sheet with the default name like Sheet 2, Sheet 3 and so on. We can also add a sheet by right-clicking on the Sheet tab and selecting the Insert Sheet option. Removing a sheet. We can delete a sheet or sheets which are not needed in the spreadsheet. To delete a spreadsheet, follow the given steps. 1. Open the sheet which is to be deleted. 2. Select the sheet. Delete Sheet option from the menu bar. A confirmation dialog box appears asking to delete the selected sheet. 3. Click on Yes button to delete the sheet. The sheet is deleted from the spreadsheet. We can also delete a sheet using the following steps. 1. Right-click on the Sheet tab that is to be deleted. A context menu appears. 2. Select the Delete Sheet option from the context menu. A confirmation dialog box appears asking to delete the selected sheet. 3. Click on Yes button to delete the sheet. Renaming sheets. Calc allows us to change the names of the sheets displayed on the Sheet tabs. To rename a sheet, follow the given steps. 1. Open the sheet that is to be renamed. 2. Select the sheet in that Rename Sheet option from the menu bar. Or double-click on the Sheet tab. The Rename Sheet dialog box appears. 3. Type the desired name in the Name text box. 4. Click on the OK button. The entered name is appeared on the Sheet tab. We can also rename a sheet by double-clicking on the Sheet tab and selecting the Rename Sheet option. Adding row or column in a sheet. After entering the records in a spreadsheet, we may need to add a row or a column in a sheet. Calc allows us to add a row or a column where required. Follow the given steps to add a row. 1. Select the row where a new row is to be added. 2. Click on Sheet menu from the menu bar. A drop-down menu appears. 3. Select the Insert Rows option. A sub-menu appears. 4. Select the Above Rows option. A new row is added above the selected row. We can also add a row below the selected row by selecting the Rows Below option. Follow the given steps to add a column. 1. Select the column where the new column is to be added. 2. Select the sheet in that Insert Columns in that Columns After option. A new column is added after the selected column. Selection in a spreadsheet. Calc allows us to select a cell, row, column and an entire sheet. Following are the ways to make different types of selection using mouse. Single cell. To select a single cell, click on the cell. Multiple cell. To select multiple cells, drag the mouse over the range of cells. Row. To select a row, click on the row number. Column. To select a column, click on the column heading. Multiple rows. To select multiple rows, drag over row numbers. Multiple columns. To select multiple columns, drag over column headers. Entire sheet. To select an entire sheet, click on the uppermost left corner of the worksheet. Deleting rows or columns. Follow the given steps to delete rows or columns in a spreadsheet. 1. Select the rows and columns that is to be deleted. 2. Select the sheet in that Delete Rows or Delete Columns option. The selected rows or columns are deleted. Printing a sheet. Calc provides the facility to print a sheet. Follow the given steps to print a sheet. 1. Click on the File menu. 2. Select the Print option. The Print dialog box opens. 3. Select the printer. 4. Specify the print range and copies. 5. Click on the Print button. The sheet gets printed. Performing mathematical calculations using formulas. LibreOffice Calc allows us to perform mathematical operations on numeric values by using formulas. We can use mathematical operators to perform common mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and exponentiation. The following are mathematical operators used in Calc. Operator, name, description, example. Addition. It is used to calculate the sum of numbers. Is equal to 7 plus 5 returns 12. Subtraction. It is used to find the difference of two numbers. Is equal to 7 minus 5 returns 2. Multiplication. It is used to multiply numbers. Is equal to 7 multiplied by 5 returns 35. Division. It is used to divide a number by another number. Is equal to 10 divided by 5 returns 2. Exponentiation. It is used to raise a number to the power of another number. Is equal to 2 caret 3 returns 8. An expression is a combination of operators and values. Sometimes an expression may contain more than one operator. In that case, Calc follows operator precedence to solve the expression. Operator precedence tells which operator should be solved first. In other words, operator precedence determines the sequence of operators in which they are solved. Following table shows the operator precedence in Calc. Operator precedence. 1. Bracket. 2. Exponentiation. 3. Divide by and multiplication. 4. Addition and subtraction. Parentheses are used to change the order of evaluation of an expression. Consider the following expression. 3 plus 10 divided by 5 minus 2. It will return 3 if we calculate without using brackets. Now, if we use brackets, then 3 plus 10 divided by in bracket 5 minus 2. In the preceding case, brackets are solved first. Hence, the result will change. Now it will return 6.3333333. Similarly, we can use other operators. Let us consider the following examples. Formula, evaluation, result. Equal to 10 plus 3 multiplied by 5 minus 2. Equal to 10 plus 15 minus 2, 23. Equal to 4 plus in bracket 2 minus 1 multiplied by 4. Equal to 4 plus 4, 8. Equal to 6 multiply 2 exponentiation 3. Equal to 6 multiplied by 8, 48. Equal to in bracket 3 multiplied by 3 exponentiation 2. Equal to 9 exponentiation 2, 81. Equal to in bracket 8 divided by 2 exponentiation 3 plus 4. Equal to 4 exponentiation 3 plus 4, 68. Formulas with cell address. Instead of using direct values in a formula, Calc also allows us to use cell addresses in formulas. The formulas containing cell addresses automatically change the output if any changes are made to the values in the respective cells. Let us take an example of the marks of a student in unit tests. Let us enter the following formula in the cell F2. Equal to B2 plus C2 plus D2 plus E2. Press the enter key. the sum of marks of all unit tests appears in the cell and the formula appears in the formula bar. Now, if we make any change in any of the cells used in the formula, the result is automatically updated. For example, if we increase the marks in unit test 3 by 2 marks, hence the result will also change. We can observe that the result has changed from 63 to 65. While entering the formula in a cell, do not write anything before the equal sign. If anything is written before the equal sign, it will not be considered a formula. It will be considered a label. Functions in Calc. Built-in formulas are known as functions in Calc. Functions take a list of values as arguments and return the result. Similar to formulas, functions are also begun with equal sign. The syntax to use a function is as follows. Is equal to function underscore name in brackets arguments underscore list. Here, function underscore name is the name of the function and arguments underscore list is the list of values or cell addresses provided to the function within the parenthesis. Values are separated by an argument separator, comma or semicolon. For example, equal to average in bracket 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Here, average is the name of the function and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 is the list of arguments. The above function will return 30 as the result. Calc provides a variety of functions like mathematical functions, date and time functions, logical functions, and statistical functions. Let us discuss these functions in detail. Mathematical functions. Mathematical functions are used to perform math operations. Some of the commonly used mathematical functions are as follows. Function, description, example, result. Sum. It returns the sum of the numbers specified as arguments. Is equal to sum 5, 6, 9, 8, 28. ABS. It returns the positive absolute value of a given integer. Is equal to ABS in bracket minus 5. 5. INT. It returns the integer value of a given integer. Is equal to INT 15.4. 15. Square root. It returns the square root of a positive integer. Is equal to square root 25. 5. Round. It returns the value after rounding by the specified number of digits. Is equal to round 153.542, 2. 153.54. Mod. It returns the remainder. Is equal to MOD 15,4. 3. Power. It returns the values of first number raised to the power of second number. Is equal to power 3,4. 81. Statistical functions. Statistical functions are used to perform statistical operations like calculating the sum and average of numbers or finding the maximum and minimum from a set of numbers. Statistical functions in Calc are as follows. Function, description, example, result. Average. It calculates the average or mean of the given numbers. Equals to average 40, 20, 15, 25. Max. It calculates the largest value from the given range of values. Equals to max 3, 5, 8, 1, 10. 10. Minimum. It calculates the smallest value from the given set of values or range of values. Equals to min 6, 10, 4, 20, 5, 4. Count. It calculates the number of arguments passed to this function. Equals to count 2, 4, 8, 20, 12, 5. Sum. It calculates the sum of all the arguments provided to the function. Equals to sum 10, 20, 30, 40, 100. Date, time functions. Calc provides functions to manipulate date and time. These functions are as follows. Function, description, example, result. Today. It displays the current date. Equals today 25. Now It displays the current date and time of the system. Equals now 10. Year, date. It displays the year of the date. Equals year 4/5/2023. 4. Month, date. It displays the month of the date. Equals month 4/5/2023. 5. Day, date. It displays the day of the date. Equals day 2/3/2023. 100. Logical functions. Logical functions are used to manipulate logical expressions where a condition is specified. These functions return either true if the specified function is met or false otherwise. Logical functions of calc are as follows: function, description, example, result. Or, it returns true if any of the specified conditions are true, otherwise it returns false. Equals to, or 10 is greater than 2, 2 is less than 3, 5 is greater than 10. True. And, it returns true if all the specified conditions are true, otherwise it returns false. Equals to, and 10 is greater than 2, 2 is lesser than 3, 5 is greater than 10. False. If the specified condition is true, it returns the true part, otherwise it returns the false part. If marks equals to 65, then equals to, if marks is greater than 60, passed, comma, failed.